mercy on my soul, cause they provoke I to rot, and I don't want to lose my path. Oh no, they try to keep I down and make me look like a clown, but I know with you I reach a higher ground. Oh yeah,
I rather to be up and in than to be down and out. Me nah go follow the evil man route, and I rather to be up and in than to be down and out. Me nah go follow the evil man route. What is I've got things to do, so me nah have time for Ezekiel. Selassie I the first, me bun down the president. This is royalness, I saw me hold me medi, me royal queen. Now tell me about no Jesse, red, gold and green. Me vegetarian veggie, me no business with PJ, me no business about Eddie. Stay alert, you got to be always ready. None of the children that sit by the wayside and beggy. Stay focused, don't live like no Congo Peggy. Yo, Rastafari always ready, so keep it royal, firm and steady. Hey, Rastafari now, yo again.
No matter what may come, we still a get the souls with your kingdom.
Hear that?
No matter what they say,
Can't stop it.
I will still trust in Yahweh. No matter what may come, Rastaman I try to your kingdom. No matter what they say, I will still trust in Yahweh.
I on first, not before, you know, none after. You know?
Oh, Jah, encamp around me and let the enemies flee, cause they are trying to conquer me. Oh God now, oh Father, creator of my soul, sustain, made my life road. Oh Jah, mercy on my soul.
Yo, I rather to be up and in than to be down and out. Me nah go follow the evil man route, and I rather to be up and in than to be down and out. Me nah go follow the evil man route. Yes, I can see my way clear, so what them me nah go follow. Them judgment steep, them judgment hollow. Yo, where you eat and look before you swallow should be judged by them work, so them bear them own sorrow. Be careful how you tread, them road yeah narrow. Well, Babylon judgment and no rain neither shower. Yo, lightning brimstone alongside fire. Yo, me go blaze them higher, and I rather to be up and in than to be down and out. Me nah go follow the evil man road. No, I rather be up and in than to be down and out. Me nah go follow the evil man road. Well, you say I'm nothing.
No matter what they say, Rastaman I trust in Yahweh. No matter what may come, I try